Alright, so now this time we're going to prep the hinge plate for the doors. So the best thing to do this one is you need to have, it's better to have the machine. You can do it manually, but if you do like few doors like this, it's better to have this. So I have this one. So you can buy this one for like 20 bucks. It's there's two types. This is for the larger door. I use this one for exterior. For interior, so there's two. So this is what we're gonna be using. So that's the one that goes there. There we go. Right? So you're gonna be using that. So and then we're just gonna insert this one. There you go. All right. Looks like that. So make sure you have to know which one is the outside and the inside. All right. So this is the machine that I have. You need a wire like this. Right. So this one you don't really need that. This is for something. Okay, so this is ready to go. We're just gonna need the extensions. Where's the extension? It's right there. Okay, so that's ready. So let's mark our... Alright, so I got the measurements. So normally doors, either if you set it up, your hinge plate in between, like about right in the middle of 8 inch, but I go slightly, so it's like I set it up to 8.5. I'll go 5. So 5. And so now let's that's it. This is ready. Make sure don't put your finger there. There you go. One down. So it's always better to use this instead of using the other, using by hand. So I'll line it up at the same time. Here we go. That's that. All right, so now let's move to the other one. I'm just gonna make it all the same. Turn off before you remove. All right, that's good. I wanna see how it fits. Right there. Fits perfect. All right, so let's move to the other one. All right, so we have one more to do. Now let's do the other one. All right, so now we're done. All right, so right now we're going to install the hinge plate. All right, so make sure the head is facing up like that, not like this. Okay, like this. Okay, the head facing up. Okay, now let's go on that side. Yeah, should be okay. All right, so now let's bring it inside.